Super weather.
Good Saturday morning. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Taking a look at your local headlines, what you can expect for us today. This morning, some clouds out there, but cooler temperatures, and some of those clouds will just stick around at that mid to high level as we get into the afternoon. But we do have mild conditions by tonight. Some of those clouds will continue to roll in. And what's ahead? We are still talking about the rain chances coming up next week. But here's a look this morning at that radar loop, that satellite loop, I should say, just showing some of that cloud cover patchy off the coastline. Some areas getting picked up here over our interior, but over La Jolla for today, this is a look at that forecast. Again, starting off around those low 50s, close to about 7 a.m. Moderate rip current risk, wave heights today from 2 to 5 feet. You can see your temperatures trending up to about those mid 60s as we get closer to this afternoon. Daytime highs looking like this. So out along the coast, right around the low to upper 60s for your Saturday. We have 60s to about the low 70s over the inland valley communities. You can see we have those 60s over the mountains as well, upper 70s for your desert region. And here is a look at tonight. If you're heading out for dinner to celebrate Valentine's Day, you can see those temperatures will be right around the low 60s at the coast, close to those upper 50s over the inland valleys, chilly over the mountains, upper 40s is what we're talking about, upper 60s for your desert region. Big changes on the way though. That rain system moving in, you can actually see it rotating here close to Northern California as it continues to move south. This is a look at about 3:30 Monday morning. We can actually see this continuing to move towards San Diego County, and then it's possible we could get that rain by late morning, and our highest chances for rain right now looks to be on Monday. But let's continue with this model. We'll see looking ahead to Tuesday, still have that opportunity for rain showers even as we go into Wednesday, scattered showers. Thursday, it's a possibility that we could see rain with this system as well. So here is a look at the next 7 days for the coastal communities. Like I said, the highest chances for rain will be Monday. You can see it picks back up by about Wednesday and tapers off as we look ahead to the end of the week on Friday. Sunday night, as this system is moving in, there is that possibility that we could get a little bit of moisture in the evening hours and even going into early Monday morning. But here's a look at the preliminary rain forecast. So you can see in total, as we get into about Wednesday and Thursday, especially those higher elevations or mountain communities could be getting more when it comes to how much rain we accumulate. But even west of the mountain communities, we're talking close to a half of an inch, maybe even up to an inch of rain when it's all said and done. And here is a look at that 10-day forecast for you. Your temperatures are going to be tapering off as well, back to the low 60s by Wednesday for the coast. And actually, same thing for the inland valley communities. We could be right around there by Tuesday for both of those areas. And then going into next weekend, it looks like we're drying out. We'll be warming up a little bit too. But the temperatures you're seeing, we're trending below the seasonal average here. And we're looking at some low 40s by midweek for the mountains. So what we do know is if that rain moves through and we're at those freezing levels, especially overnight, maybe early on in the morning, there is that chance for us to get some snow over the higher elevations as well. In the meantime, for the desert regions, getting close to those 70s over the next couple of days, taking a break from the 70s, getting back into the 60s by this upcoming week. And we can even spend some time in the upper 50s there as well. Have a great day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Don't forget your umbrella.